This chapter ends with multiplying whole numbers by mixed numbers. So when we start doing that, we have to actually change that mixed number into a fraction. And if you need to review, you can always watch that other video we have from our last chapter about turning fractions into mixed numbers and mixed numbers back into improper fractions. That's still on there if you need a refresher, because that's how we're going to actually multiply by a whole number with that mixed number, actually changing that mixed number into an improper fraction. So let's say we have 3 times 5 and 1/4. We're going to change that mixed number, 5 and 1/4, into an improper fraction. We're going to do our little trick of the whole number times the denominator, adding the numerator. So 5 times 4 plus 1. So we keep it over our denominator. So we end up with 3 times 21 over 4. So again, that number still means the exact same thing as 5 and 1/4. We just needed to change it into its improper fraction in order to multiply it across, because then with multiplication rules for fractions, we can just multiply straight across the numerators and straight across the denominators. So we can say 3 times 21 gives us 63. Just 1 times 4, same denominator, 4. So we have 63 over 4. And as with all of these problems that start out as a mixed number, our end answer result has to also be in a mixed number format. So same thing if you need to go back to watch that video for changing a fraction back into a mixed number. That fraction bar is basically just a division symbol. So when we do 63 divided by 4, it goes in 15 whole times with 3 left over. So we can say that 63 over 4, our final answer equals 15 and 3/4. So 3 times 5 and 1/4 equals 15 and 3/4.